In this video, I'll show you how to Windows Server 2022 basic configuration remotely using Dell iDRAC. Go to Settings, then Time and Language, then Date and Time. Please following steps for date and time configuration. Now proceed with disk partitioning by creating a new partition or drive, following the steps shown in this video. Set the This PC, My Computer icon on the server desktop. Set or change server name. From Server Manager, then Local Server, then click Computer Name and set your server name. Sometimes, after changing the system name or time, a server reboot is required for the changes to take effect. Configure static IP in Windows Server 2022 using following steps. Server driver installation. First, download the driver and copy to local PC. First, iDRAC and Server Life Circle driver install. Please follow along with me. It may take some time, and after the driver installation or update, the server will need to reboot. That means driver updates require some downtime. iDRAC and Server Life Circle driver install complete. Now BIOS driver installing. Please follow along with me. It may take some time, and after the driver installation or update, the server will need to reboot. That means driver updates require some downtime. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Drop a comment below, I'd love to help. See you in the next video.